Hello, my dear YouTube friends. I am so happy that you decided to stop by. Today I'm participating once again of an open invite, What Would You Make? And the hosts are OK at Home DIY with Zaina and Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. And we have a guest host, Happiness Created with Tammy. I'll make sure to have their channels linked below in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure that you visit every single one of them and give them a lots of love. So I took this piece of wood that I found outside, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I put it here so I could cut it. And I have this in my laundry room because it is too cold outside. I'm in Illinois and it is super cold out there. So let's go ahead and cut this. And it's just a short cut right here. There you go. And now we could go ahead and take this other piece of wood. It's a slice of wood that a friend of mine cut for me, and I am trying to find the middle, although you see that this is not completely round. But I'm gonna go ahead and drill it with my drill, electrical drill, and battery operated actually. And once it's done, I'm gonna measure this little piece of dowel, put some glue in the middle, and there it is. Now with my hammer, I'm just gonna go ahead and hammer it in there so it could be nice and tight. And that dowel that we just cut, I did a hole as well in the middle, you see, and I put some wood glue in there. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the hammer just to make sure that it's nice and tight. I have also this wooden knob, and with a little bit more of wood glue, I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on it, and that's the way I'm going to glue it. Then later on, I'm just going to set it to the side for a little bit. So I left it down for like an hour, and when I came back, it was already dry. And I also have this little heart from Dollar Tree. It was a garland. Several of them came attached. So these little holes that you see here, I'm going to be filling it up with this wood filler. And those little bells that you heard right now is my little diva playing with her toys. And now with this white acrylic paint, I'll be painting the outside of the heart. And I'll be painting the word love with this red acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. Of course, I have a lot of these slices of wood. I'm going to go ahead and glue this little heart. This is so beautiful. So with a lot of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue it right on top of this beautiful piece of wood. I am so in love with these pieces of wood. I have so many of them. We found a branch in the ground in my property, and we just went to town slicing the piece of branch. And now I have this little heart, and I am going to go ahead and glue it right above this beautiful big love heart. And don't forget, for more inspiration, don't forget to visit the playlist. It is in my description box. And if you are coming from their channels, welcome to my channel. I hope you do consider subscribing. I have this little stand from Dollar Tree. I'm just giving it one coat with this brown acrylic paint only because I wanted to blend with the plaque. And once it's done, I am going to be putting that beautiful plaque right on it. At how gorgeous this looks. Oh my god, this came out even better than what I imagined. So I'm not sure if you already figured it out, but this is a napkin holder. So I'm gonna come back now and I'm gonna stain the entire piece. After it's completely stained, I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side so it could dry. And I will show you the final review in a second, but I also have another DIY, so don't go nowhere because I do want to show you this. So I got this at Dollar Tree, and this is such a beautiful beaded garland, and I'll be using 4 of the beads. And I also have another piece of this wood. It's a slice of wood, and I'm going to be doing the same technique. I'm going to come in with this stain, and I will be staining the entire piece. And I'm also staining the beads. I want to make sure that when I glue all of this together, it looks nice and uniform. And then once it's dry, I'm going to come in with some hot glue and glue all 4 right here in the bottom. These are going to be the legs, and I am making a mini riser. I also have these little mini mason jars that I bought at Dollar Tree, and they are so absolutely beautiful. I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out. And I also have these little transferable stickers also from Dollar Tree, and I am going to be cutting the S and the letter P, and I am going to be putting 1 on each mason jar. And look at how easy that was, and it looks so absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the letter P. I'm going to measure it, make sure that it's lined up, and just rub, and it will be transferred in no time. I love these transferable stickers. You could also use your Cricut if you don't have any transferable stickers, and this is it. I am hoping that you enjoy these beautiful DIYs. I am hoping also that you consider subscribing if you have not done so. Like that, I can see you in my next video.